Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Leah and I own Leah Noell Design Co. I am a decorative furniture painter. I do custom furniture painting where you pick your paint color and style. And I also do creative pieces like the one behind me that I'm gonna show you. And today I have a quick tip on how to accent your furniture if you're painting it from home or if you are a decorative furniture painter like me. So join me and please say hi as you guys come on. I'd love to know you're here. So I'm gonna move so you guys can see this piece. This is my new piece, and let me know if you could see it. I'm kind of fighting the sun. I got these big windows in my house, and they're great for natural light, but they do blind me about this time. Hi, Callie. Thanks for joining me. I'd love to hear your opinion on this hardware. So I got this piece at Goodwill, and it's in like impeccable shape. It's really a pretty piece. It's a mid-century modern piece, and it has, I'm gonna keep these three handles original, okay? Thank you. I'm loving this color. I'm loving some blues right now. And then on the edges, I'm gonna just scoot my chair so you guys can see. I have, can you guys see? Let me know if you could see because that sun is like blinding me. Okay. I have the original hardware, which I think I really, really like, the original hardware. And then on this side, I found these really fun, cool knobs at Hobby Lobby. And they're kind of just like a modern little button knob. They have wood, they have gold, which accents this gold, and they have gray right here. So as we're talking, or if you're catching the replay, let me know which ones you like best. Okay, looks like we're like perfect right here with the sun. So I'm gonna make this a quick tutorial because that sun is moving fast. So this is my new piece, my new buffet. I painted it with Debbie's Design Diary paint. I do not sell Debbie's Design Diary. I like using her paint a lot. And I used Big Top, which is right here. This is their sealer. It's like a natural polyacrylic type sealer. So some of you guys, somebody asked me the other day if they could put polyacrylic over wax, and the answer is no, but you can put wax over polyacrylic. And I would consider Big Top a polyacrylic type product. So everything I used on this dresser is from Debbie's Design Diary. I used her paint, I used her sealer, and now I'm using her wax. And with her wax, I used the clear wax, and I did mix, I guess this isn't her paint line, I did mix a little bit of acrylic gold into this wax. And what I did is I sealed this top twice with Big Top, okay, polyacrylic type sealer. It's like a natural polyacrylic. I don't even know how that's possible, but it is. And so it's sealed with polyacrylic, and now I'm just gonna put some wax over the top. And my goal with the wax is just to kind of accent it with gold, just to kind of give it like a gold sheen. The top is Hey Sailor. It's a very pretty like navy blue. And I'm using Annie Salone's wax brush. And if you don't have a wax brush, I'm just gonna kind of do this and talk, and you can see how I do it. If you don't have a wax brush, you can use shop towels. You can use, my favorite thing to use is t-shirts, old t-shirts, especially like the kids' old t-shirts, because they have no lint. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this wax coat to the top, and then I'm gonna wait a couple hours, and then I'm gonna wipe it back, and it's just gonna leave a very pretty iridescent gold sheen shimmer to it. I could do this over the whole entire piece, but I'm choosing just to do it to the top, just to kind of give it a little bit of, just a little bit of gold, to kind of bring that gold leaf out and into the top, so the top's not so plain. So that is what I am doing. And if you're just hopping on, we're voting which hardware we like. And I'll give you guys a close-up of that in a minute. So that's all. I mixed about 50-50 wax and paint in here. and I'm just gonna rub it on like a glaze. And the other thing I wanted to tell you guys is my dad taught me this. Over any sealer, you can put wax over any sealer. You can't put wax under a sealer. If you try to put like wax on your piece and then you spray it with polyacrylic, you're gonna have a bubbly mess. So wax is good to accent the top, like if you wanna just add a little gold sheen, that's perfect. The other thing wax does is you can use wax over like a polyacrylic or a lacquer or like a master clear. You can use it over it for an extra layer of protection. It just kind of gives it like an extra layer of protection. And sometimes I'll do that after I spray a piece to even out the top, just to give it an extra layer of protection. So if you haven't been on my page before, wax is my favorite thing to use. I love wax, and I love finding new ways to use wax. So there we go. That's it. I'm gonna let it dry and all that like glitter kind of like dry on, and then I'm just gonna buff it out really simple and easy. And that's it. I'm not gonna set that there. But I do wanna have you guys look at these knobs. Oh, ow. I snapped my finger in my tripod. All right, let me turn this around. All right, so this is my latest piece right here. You can see some wax right here, and you can see the gold wax. I'm gonna just buff it all out so it leaves a shimmer. But this is it, and I am thinking this is the original hardware right here. I think I really like the original hardware. I really like it in the middle, and I think I'm gonna spray them with a gold so they're kind of more solid. And you can see right here, this is like almost like a mid-century modern type button knob. So I don't know if it goes with the piece or not. I really trying to decide. But it's got blue feet and a blue top and gold accents. So it's a pretty piece. I'm really loving it. And it's a nice size too. But if you're just coming on, please send me a vote. Do you like these knobs? These ones are staying. Or do you like these knobs? So that's what I have for you guys today. If you can, if you're watching the replay, leave me a vote. Let me know which knobs you think I should do, and I'm gonna get this thing staged probably tomorrow afternoon, and I'll have it up for sale on Sunday. So if you're interested, message me. And of course, if you want to purchase the piece, I'll put whatever knobs you want on that thing. You know, you let me know what your style is. So, all right, I'm going to get on with my Friday. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys have a great day. And until next time, I'll see you. Have a good weekend.